It's now easier than ever to import your Canva email design straight into Flodesk. To get started, I'm going to log into my Canva account and I'm going to create a new email by clicking on the email icon. Here, the Canva email builder will open. On the left-hand side, you'll see a ton of templates that are ready for me to use. I'm going to go ahead and select one. Here in Canva, I'm going to customize the email. I'm going to add links, change the text, modify photos, and do whatever I want to do. Now, in Canva, some of these sections will not be editable directly here in the builder. These sections will be rendered as an image when they are sent via email. To edit these sections, I can double-click on them. It'll open a pop-up editor, and I can make the changes right here. When I'm done, I'll click Save. Now, it's important to note this because we want to make sure to add alt text to the parts of the email that will be rendered as an image. To do that, I'm going to hover over the image, click on the three dots, and add my alt text. This is where I'm going to add descriptive content, so if this image does not render or if somebody is using accessibility tools, they can also utilize this email. When I'm done adding that alt text, I'm going to click Save. Once I've gotten this email exactly how I want it, I'm going to come up here to the right and click Share, then See All, and here I'll see a Flodesk icon. If you don't see the Flodesk icon, click See All and you will find it there. Click Flodesk. And if you haven't yet connected to your account, you can do so by clicking Connect to Flodesk. This will take you to a screen where you can sign up with Flodesk. If you already have an account, simply click the Sign In button at the bottom and then log in. Once you're logged in, make sure you allow Canva to access your account. Okay, great. So now I'm logged in and it's asking me where I want to share this email. Do I want to create a new email or add it to an existing one? For this example, I'm going to add it to a new email. And then I'll click Share to Flodesk. Once it's ready, I'll click Check It Out to open Flodesk. And here we are. The email I designed in Canva is now right here in my Flodesk account. Now these Canva email designs will import in as one large block. I will not be able to make changes to individual blocks. However, if I need to make a change, I can click on the block, come over here to the right, click Edit in Canva, and I will be brought back to the Canva editor to make any changes. So for example, let's say I want to change this color. Once I'm done, I will click Share, come back here to See All, Flodesk, and I will choose that email that I was just working on. Click Share to Flodesk, and it will update the design that I was just working on. Now before I send this email, I can add blocks above or below the Canva email to make this email more engaging. So if, for example, I want to add a poll or a countdown timer or even my logo block, I can do so right here. When I'm ready to send the email, I'll click Next, choose what email address I'm sending it from, create my subject line and preview text, and then choose the audience who I want to send it to. The last step, I'm going to choose if I want to send it now or schedule it for later. I can also choose to send myself a test email by clicking the Send a Test button in the top right. This gives me an opportunity to look at the email on different devices and different browsers. And that's it. It's now a breeze to use Flodesk to send your Canva emails.